When Allah made the land, He left something buried under the sand for the mankind to explore. In 1958, oil was discovered in Abu Dhabi. And soon, under the vision of late Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the desert emirate started its transformation into a modern state. In 1971, a company was formed to create an integrated oil and gas industry in Abu Dhabi. Today, under the leadership and wisdom of His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the President of the UAE, it is amongst the top 10 oil and gas companies in the world who manages and oversees more than 2.7 million barrels of oil per day. Adnoc, Abu Dhabi National Oil Company. With substantial upstream and downstream business interests in transportation, shipping, marketing and distribution, today Adnoc is holding a conglomerate of renowned companies under its umbrella. ADCO, Abu Dhabi Company for Onshore Oil Operations. One of the largest oil producers in the UAE, with concession area extending over 21,000 square kilometers onshore and in the shallow coastal waters of the Emirate of Abu Dhabi. Employing over 2,500 employees and operating 6 major production fields. ADMA OPCO, Abu Dhabi Marine Operating Company. ADMA OPCO is one of the pioneering oil and gas exploration and production company, whose operations dates back to the 1950s and are centered in the offshore areas of Abu Dhabi, with concessions for 2 major fields, Sheikh and Zakum, from which the crude oil is transferred to Das Island for processing, storage, and export. ZADCO, Zakum Development Company, established in 1977, develops and operates the Upper Zakum Field, one of the largest oil fields in the world. GASCO, Abu Dhabi Gas Industries Limited, was incorporated in 1978 and is responsible for processing natural and associated gas from offshore oil operations. Today, it is one of the largest gas processing companies in the world and one of the biggest industrial projects in the UAE. ADGAS, Abu Dhabi Gas Liquefaction Company Limited. The establishment of ADGAS in 1973 ushered in the introduction of the Gulf area into the world map of the liquefied gas producers and exporters. Throughout the past 37 years, ADGAS has been a regional pioneer in LNG and LPG production and marketing. It has been one of the big contributor to the UAE's march towards development and urbanization, as well as emiratization. Takrir, Abu Dhabi Oil Refining Company, started in 1999 and is a prominent oil refining company for crude oil and condensate refining, supply of petroleum products, and production of granulated sulfur. Takrir has maintained its position as a leading refining company, thanks to the sound HSE practices and world standard performance. Abu Dhabi Gas Development Company. Established in February 2010, Abu Dhabi Gas Development Company is responsible for development of gas reservoirs in Shah Field, located onshore in the western region of Abu Dhabi. Adnoc Distribution. Making the oil and gas products available to the public. This is what Adnoc Distribution does. Established in 1973, it became the first UAE government-owned company specializing in marketing and distribution of petroleum products in the UAE, operating a vast network of services stations and convenience stores. NDC, National Drilling Company. A symbol of drilling excellence since 1972. Now one of the largest drilling contractors in the Middle East, providing quality drilling, workover, and well maintenance services with focus on safety of its people and care for the environment. With a fleet of 10 offshore and 18 onshore drilling rigs, NDC has strengthened its capability by acquiring new and ultra-modern technologies. Esnad. Esnad means support in Arabic, and this is exactly what the company does. Supports the oil and gas industry with three main services: oilfield services, marine services, and base services. Esnad operates a professionally managed, strategically located supply base in Musafa, which is fully equipped with state-of-the-art facilities and infrastructure to meet the current and future needs of the oil and gas sector. Irshad. Operating over 39 vessels, Abu Dhabi Petroleum Ports Operating Company, or Irshad, operates the petroleum port of Jebel Dana and other petroleum and industrial ports in the Emirate of Abu Dhabi, ensuring smooth and safe export of Abu Dhabi's oil and gas to the world. Fertile. Ruwais Fertilizer Industries utilizes the lean gas supplied from the onshore fields in Abu Dhabi to manufacture fertilizers and markets them locally and internationally. The plant is located in Ruwais Industrial Zone, and it comprises an ammonia and urea processing plant. Borouge. A joint venture between Adnoc and Borealis. Borouge is a leading provider of innovative plastic solutions, serving customers throughout the Middle East, Asia Pacific, and Africa, producing a range of different products for high-value applications including water, gas, and industrial pipe systems, medical devices, and automotive components. Adnatco and Gisco. As the shipping arm of the Adnoc group of companies, Adnatco and Gisco delivers the UAE's energy to the world. And Gisco tankers carry LNG from Adgas liquefaction plant in Das Island to its customers across the globe. Adnatco handles global marine transportation of petroleum products, bulk cargo of sulfur, ship bunkering, and polyethylene produced by Adnoc's petrochemical subsidiary, Borouge. The Petroleum Institute. It's a world-class institution providing education and engineering and research in areas of significance to the oil and gas and the broader energy industries. Adnoc Technical Institute, or ATI, was established in 1978 to offer training programs that meet the needs of Adnoc and its group companies of skilled national manpower. 50 years after the first exploration concession was signed, late Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan said, "When God gave us oil, it was inevitable that we would use its proceeds for the good of the people, that we would compensate them for the difficult times of the past." Taking this thought forward, each day, each moment, we strive for excellence in everything that we do. Abu Dhabi National Oil Company, empowering the nation for generations to come.